Did you know that during World War II, the Allies used inflatable tanks and planes to trick the Nazis? This was part of Operation Fortitude, a massive deception plan. These decoys looked so real that they fooled German scouts and spies. They even built fake buildings and sent out fake radio messages to keep the Germans guessing. The plan was to make the Nazis believe the invasion would happen at Calais, but the real target was Normandy. This incredible ruse helped pave the way for D-Day and changed the course of history. Like and subscribe for more amazing history facts.